Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You are looking at the Mecca Off-Road Can-Am Defender Max Limited Lonestar. This one is on its way to New Mexico. I wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about this Defender build, and give you some options on what you can do to yours. Let's start off right on the front. So with this machine, it does have the Can-Am front bumper on there. This is not the original bumper that comes on the Lonestars. This is the model that comes on the Limited. We wanted this for one good reason. It works with everything else we did on here. We did include that 15-inch light bar on the front. The winch is standard. We've got that upper rack and storage tote. This is detachable with the link system. Very nice. You do have your windshield wiper and washer fluid kit on this vehicle. We've got the fender flare extensions from Can-Am, the Tusk 32-inch terabytes. We've got, oh yeah, check this out. Have you guys seen these steps? Ranch armor. Also up top, lighting in every corner with that ranch armor rack. This is the only rack I am aware of that you can use with the full overhead JL audio roof. This is a kit that included all of the light bars that you see as well. We've got the spare tire mounted up high. On the inside, we've got the Ryco Street Legal kit installed on it. We have the backup camera from Can-Am. We'll get everything turned on here. Of course, with the Lonestar, you've got that full JL audio roof. 6-speaker system. Very nice, very nice. Amplifier and everything's built into the system. Head unit right there. Very nice. There's your backup camera. We've got the aux beam controller for all of the lighting. I'll just start flipping some switches. We'll get everything turned on, then I'll walk out in the back and show you. Again, that Ryco Street Legal kit, down will be left. Indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on. You do have the 4-way hazard function. Horns integrated into the end. Look at that. Super bright. All the way around. Gonna be pulling into camp, lighting up camp, pulling out on the farm. We've got the rock lights, pods here on the sides as well. Very nice, very nice. We also on the inside have the Can-Am gear bag. It's got all your essentials that you're going to need while you're out on the trail. We also installed the Can-Am rear dump. It is electric. Yes, I am pushing a button. Very nice, very nice. Let's show you that hazards there flashing and that 15-inch bar from Can-Am. Here on the back, we've got the Can-Am bed rail, Can-Am rack, Can-Am basket. This is all link mounted stuff as well. If you want to get rid of the basket, you've got the link mount here. Pop that off. Same here on the rack for the back. You can pop this link mount. It pivots off the front. And you can also rotate this 180 degrees and spin it around. We've got that already installed, ready to go. With the Can-Am Defender Max Limited, it does have heat, air conditioning, and it does filter the air before it comes in the cab. We absolutely love that. You've got defrost ducts up front, face vents, as well as leg vents down on the outside of each leg. Just finished getting that down. Very nice. Also on the back, You've got that Super ATV rear bumper. This is a very stout bumper. It looks awesome and provides a lot of protection there for the rear. With the Defender Limited, you can add more storage in the back, as you see here. You can also add storage under each side. This is the stock mirror that came with it. Detachable storage under the seat, very nice. Glove box, it is lockable and detachable. Very nice. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What would you add to this beast? It's got about everything. We do have Defender Max Limiteds in stock as of the date of this video. Give us a call. We'll get you taken care of. We can build you anything you want. If you see it out there, we'll get it done for you. And one thing I'd like to point out, everything that we do, very high quality. You don't see wires dangling everywhere. There's no additional holes. Everything looks factory. We got you covered here at Big Pine Sports. Have a great day, everybody.